May kailangan ka na. Lagi ako natatanong ng clients. Edric, ano ba mas okay, RFO or pre-selling? So, let's talk about it. Casual lang. Pre-selling means binibili mo yung unit habang ginagawa pa lang. Ang advantage dito, mas mababa pa yung price at super flexible pa ng payment terms. Para kang nag-i-invest ngayon tapos habang tumatagal, tumataas yung market value ng property mo. Kaya kung di ka naman nagmamadaling lumipat, perfect to for long-term growth. On the other hand, RFO means ready for occupancy. Pwede ka na lumipat agad at paupahan for instant rental income. Ito naman bagay sa mga clients ko na gusto na ng ready home or steady cash flow. Downside lang, mas mataas na usually yung presyo at limited na lang yung choices. So in short, pre-selling is best for investors looking for long-term, while RFO works best kung gusto mo na ng property ngayon. Depende talaga sa goals mo, whether it's for investment or for personal use. Every home has a story, and the next one could be yours. Thanks for watching. See you at your next address.